Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Recently I got a package from my friends over at Pride Defend. I've had a few products from them, and this is just one of the things that a gun enthusiast needs to have in your inventory of tools. It costs about $36.99 on the Amazon website for Pride Defend. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. They have a lot of good gun accessories and maintenance items. So this is a punch kit that includes a hammer as well as the plate that you put on so that you can place your rifle over it where you want to punch out the roll pins and stuff in the holes so that you know, you don't damage your table or your rifle. So let's open this up and see what's in the box. So you guys, if you're watching this, you know what this is. You know what I mean? Rubber coated on the outside here. I believe there's a magnet in there somewhere where it could hold the pins and stuff so you won't lose it, you know. This is very cool, sturdy. You put your rifle, your receiver on here, line up the holes where you would punch the roll pin out so that it goes right through the hole. And like I said, I think it's magnetized so it sticks there, so you won't lose it anywhere, right? Usually people sell these individually, but this is a whole kit. Comes with the handy kit box. I don't know what you call this. Pad. I don't know. But you get the picture. Ooh. So when opened, this is what you get. This is called a bench block. I just looked it up. Bench block. So like I said, this is rubber. Has these canals for BCGs, all that stuff. In the kit, you have your assorted black punches of different sizes, ranging from 1/16 through 3/32, and then you have the silver ones from 1/16 through 1/8, the bigger ones, and also the super tiny ones, like this one here. You have these other main ones where it's shaped differently for your hands, right? For your thumb. Take out pivot pins and takedown pins as well, very easily. And this small weighted hammer. This is nice. Good for tapping, you know what I mean? This is a brass piece over here, and then you have the steel piece over here. You can also switch amongst, I believe, the rubber one and the orange one. I believe this is plastic, so that plastic rubberish type coating, so that you don't damage certain things if you're tapping directly onto the rifle components. But for these regular punches, the steel or the brass, this is very cool. I always wanted one of these things. Small and handy, and also well weighted as well. Very cool. So like I said, you could switch amongst the stopper hitting contacts here. And over here is a BCG, Bolt Carrier Group extractor cleaner over here. Comes in a nifty little case here with the sizes that are corresponding to how thin or how thick the punch you need. This is all you need for assembling or disassembling your rifle. And with this punch block, it makes it all even more convenient. I have this old Crosman BB gun. I've had it since I was a kid. And the O-ring on the pump is worn. I mean, I've had it for like 35, 40 years, when I was a kid, you know. So the O-ring on this part here is worn, and that's the usual complaint for Crosman guns, BB guns. It doesn't hold air. It doesn't compress air at all, you know. So I just want to show you guys how to use this. I believe there's a punch here. Maybe it's not a punch. I'm not sure.
have to remove this.
So it has a special washer on here that I can't remove right now, but I just want to give you an idea. So if you wanted to remove, let's say, pretend this is a roll pin, right? It's not, but if it was a roll pin, you would just place it over the hole, right? That would correspond to it, so that you don't ruin your table or something like that, you know, to just line it up. And then you would pick a punch that's about the same width of this pin here. And just from looking, you know, it would probably be this one. And you would just hold it there so that if you bang it, the pin has a hole to go into, as opposed to damaging your table, you know, or your bench, you know. So you would just hold it there like that, and you would just tap it out. This has a washer on it, so I'm not going to remove it. I'm just showing you this is how it works, and that's what the punch bench is for, so that you don't damage your table, you know. So that's the Pride Defend punch base, along with the punch tools, hammer, and the attachments in a handy little carrying case. I think it only sells for like $36.99 with free shipping from their Amazon store. Once again, I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. You need one of these things. This is a complete set. Everything you need to build your first AR or any rifle for that matter, and do maintenance, take apart your BCG, all that stuff. For cleaning purposes, take down pins, pivot pins. This is all you're going to need. It's a great handy little kit for the gun enthusiast in you. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's product review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns.
How about the lining?
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as, if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.